Welcome to my channel Living Linux. A couple of weeks ago I ordered the Chuwi Gemibook. According to the track and trace, it was already delivered like 2 weeks ago to the warehouse in Spain. It took a while before it arrived here in my house, but finally here it is. So now we'll do the unboxing. Okay, so we'll open this from this side. There's some foam and okay, so here is the charger with this is the US plug and this is the converter. Let's see, for the European plug. I guess this is like warranty and those kind of stuff. And here we have the laptop itself. So as you noticed, there is an extra M.2 SSD slot available, and we can try to have a quick look. Okay. So as you can see, you can put in another M.2 SSD. And for the time being, we'll just put this back in. Oops. And for me this will be quite handy because I also want to install Linux on it, and that way it's easy to make a dual boot and keep the Windows partition as is. So open it. It looks relatively clean, only one sticker with Intel Celeron. So on this side there's an USB port, type A. Here is the headphone jack and room for a micro SD, and on the other side there is the charger port, barrel port, and USB type C. And it can almost be laid flat It still has a small angle, so as you can see it's not really exactly 180%, but it opens up really nicely. And I'll switch it on. Okay, as you can see, this one works. It's going to prepare the finishing of the Windows installation, so I'm not going to bore you with that. This was just the unboxing, and you can be sure that I will do a full review later on and also experiment how it runs with Linux. That's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.